Trigonometric function of special angles. Answer the following. Find the value of tangent squared 60 degrees minus 2 sine squared 30 degrees. So to answer this one, you'll be needing this table of values for special angles regarding trigonometric function. So for example, first we transform this one. Tangent squared 60 degrees is the same as tangent 60 degrees squared minus, of course, 2 times this sine squared 30 degrees is the same as having the square root of sine 30 degrees. Then afterwards, we look for the exact value of tangent 60 degrees. And using the table of values, we have here the tangent. And then we have here the 60 degrees. So if you want to look for tangent 60 degrees, that is square root of 3. So we substitute square root of 3 to tangent 60 degrees. So we're going to have here put an open and close parentheses. And then substitute that square root of 3 to tangent 60 degrees. Then copy the square root. Minus 2. Next is to identify the exact value of sine 30 degrees. So we can have here sine, this is sine, and then this is 30 degrees. So looking for that is 1/2. So we are going to have here sine 30 degrees is equal to 1/2. And then we solve for this one. We apply PEMDAS, solve first for the exponents. So square root of 3 squared, that is square root of 3 times square root of 3, which is equal to square root of 9. And square root of 9 is 3. So we can have here that the square root of square root of 3 is equal to 3 minus 2 times the, of course, we need to get the square root of 1/2. So this means 1/2 times 1/2, and that is equal to 1/4. We're gonna get the difference of these two numbers, since the rule is we have here two numbers that is needed to be multiplied. So we're going to have here 3 minus, then multiply first this one. This will give us 2/4 or 1/2. And then 3 minus 1/2. Of course, you need to look first for the LCD, and that LCD is 2. So this whole number will be transformed to 6/2, and then minus 1/2. So the value, or the exact value here, is 6 minus 1. That will give us 5/2. So this is the exact value, or the value of tangent squared 60 degrees minus 2 sine squared 30 degrees. For the second question, find the value of cotangent squared 30 degrees times secant squared 45 degrees plus cosecant squared 45 degrees cosine times cosine 60 degrees. The same procedure, we identify the value of cotangent 30 degrees. So of course, there is a square here, so we're putting a square root here. Then look for cotangent 30 degrees. That is, cotangent is here, and then that is repeated here, cotangent 30 degrees. So right here, square root of 3. And then secant square root 45 degrees. That is, and of course, there's a square root here. So look for secant 45. Secant 45 is this one, square root of 2. So put square root of 2 here, and then plus cosecant squared 45 degrees. So again, we put open and close parentheses for the squared. Then look for cosecant 45 degrees. That is square root of 2. And then cosine 60 degrees. Cosine 60 degrees is this one. This is cosine 60 degrees, 1/2. Then we solve. The square root of 3 is 3 times the square root of 2 is 2 plus the square root of 2 is 2 times 1/2. Then we multiply first 3 times 2, that is 6, plus multiply 2 times 1/2, that is, this will give you 2 times 1, 2, 2 over 2, 2 over 2 is equal to 1. And then we add the two number, 6 plus 1 is 7. So this is the exact value of cotangent square root 30 degrees, secant square root 45 degrees, plus cosecant square root 45 degrees times cosine 60 degrees.